Improve your integrated reasoning skills. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the integrated reasoning section of the GMAT. Specifically, we'll focus on identifying areas for improvement. Recognizing our weak points is the first step towards achieving a high score, so let's get started. Integrated reasoning, or IR, assesses your ability to evaluate information presented in multiple formats and from multiple sources. These skills are crucial in today's data-driven world. Tasks include interpreting graphs, making calculations, and evaluating trade-offs. But before improving, we need to identify where we might be falling short. 1. Misinterpreting data. One of the most common mistakes is misreading or misunderstanding the data given. It's essential to carefully read all the information before answering. 2. Overlooking details. Often, the test will include small details that make a significant difference in the answer. Always double-check your work. 3. Time management. IR questions can be time-consuming. It's crucial to manage your time effectively and not spend too long on a single question. 1. Practice tests. Take timed practice tests to simulate the real GMAT environment. This will not only familiarize you with the test structure but will also highlight areas you consistently struggle with. 2. Review mistakes. After each test, review every mistake. Understand why you got a question wrong and how you can avoid making the same mistake in the future. 3. Seek feedback. Join a study group or find a mentor who can provide feedback. Sometimes, an external perspective can identify weaknesses you may have overlooked. 4. Focus on difficult topics. If there are certain question types or topics that consistently challenge you, make them your focus. Create a study plan specifically for those areas. Once you've identified your weak areas, it's time to create a plan. 1. Dedicate specific study time. Allocate dedicated study hours to work on your weak points. 2. Practice, practice, practice. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Use various resources to get diverse question types. 3. Stay updated. The GMAT test structure and questions can evolve. Stay updated with any changes and adapt your preparation accordingly. 4. Stay positive and persistent. Remember, identifying weaknesses isn't a negative step. It's a proactive move towards achieving a better score. Stay motivated. That's a wrap for today. Identifying areas for improvement in integrated reasoning can be the game changer in your GMAT preparation journey. Remember, every test taker has strengths and weaknesses. By recognizing and addressing your challenges, you're setting yourself up for success. Here's hoping this video has been enlightening. Keep pushing forward, and you'll surely achieve your goals.